inside one, climb up it, and go through all these old military tunnels from the war days. So New Zealand wasn't really involved in any of the wars. We thought we might have been attacked by someone because we've got such cool national parks, but they didn't want our national parks, so we were safe. I think we had one Japanese sub come in, and they needed directions from somewhere, so we gave them directions and sent them on their way. They just lost. There's another place out there called Rangitoto. It's a big volcano-looking thing. Auckland has about 48 volcanoes. You can see 3 right now. 1, 2, 3. The big one, Rangitoto, that is a must-do in Auckland. I have 5 must-dos while you guys are here. First one, go up the Sky Tower, because it's very easy, $15, amazing views. Second thing you must do, come on this day tour. Well done everyone. Come on the day tour. Good. Third thing you must do is go to Rangitoto. You can only go there between the hours of 9 AM and midday, and you've got to catch the ferry back by about 4 PM in winter. But it's a regional park and it's something you must get to. It's covered in these trees here, so these are Pohutukawas, these kind of gnarly looking trees. It's the largest Pohutukawa forest in the world, and it's just a regional park, so there's no shops, no accommodation. There are some toilets, and there's obviously a viewing platform right at the top at the summit. It takes about an hour and a half to get up there, and it has amazing views of the whole harbour, 360 degrees of the Hauraki Gulf as well. So that there is the Waitemata Harbour. Further out is the Hauraki Gulf, which is a massive body of water protected by islands and peninsulas. Great place to go for a bit of a sail.